Hello everyone, I'm Sina from HK Properties. Emerald Residency in Mutungo is finally entering the stage we've all been waiting for. The stage where a construction site finally starts to feel like home. Your future home is almost ready and it's truly becoming something special. The entire structure now stands complete, and every unit has its full tiling done. The spaces finally look and feel the way they were imagined. The lobby areas are also coming alive beautifully. Painting works are adding warmth across the project as we move closer to the final coat that will complete the interiors. Inside the homes, doors are already being installed, nearly halfway done, and it's incredible how each room suddenly carries a sense of privacy and character. And now, we're entering the stage of the final touches. Glass railings, sanitary fittings, the lift installations, and the last finishing layers that turn structure into a lived-in, loved-in space. Every step forward brings us closer to the moment that matters the most. Day by day, the building is opening up as our teams continue installing the aluminum windows, transforming the sunlight and the views inside each room. Every step forward brings us closer to the moment that matters the most, handing Emerald Residency to our clients in January 2026.
www.shinebebright.com